from Iriga City Central Terminal. I would like to thank you NCIP as I celebrate my first year anniversary with the agency. Thank you. Thank you. I would like to thank you for accepting me as one of your employee. Thank you very much and mabuhay. Mabuhay ang katutubong Pilipino. Mabuhay ang NCIP. As our chairperson said, yesen. Thank you po. Mabuhay po ang Pilipinas. Mabuhay ang NCIP.